Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to view your referral code in GCash. So just to clarify things, the referral code in GCash used to be a thing in the past only, when GCash was not famous and people or GCash itself needed them, some users for it to be widespread. But now GCash is too widespread and they don't need referral codes anymore. So this is how it would look like back in the day. So you will have to launch the GCash application, and this was the interface back then. And now you have to do refer friends, and then there's gonna be a share QR code right here, and you can earn a number of your money using referral codes. So this only used to work back then, but now there's no such thing as referral codes anymore. So this is just a guide on how it will work back then, but this is also a guide on to remind you that there's no such thing as referral codes. So don't scan any QR codes or don't fall for those links that says you have a referral code. So always stay safe, and there's no such thing anymore as a referral code in GCash.